Okay, just a very short video today. I've made some changes to the import and how the import's going to work. So I've made some changes to the core header. I've commented all so as you can see what's happening. The idea is now that if I show you in the import test, we can now import two files. So we can import as many files as we like. We just keep adding them down there like you would in any other language. The old one would only do one at a time, so you could have only done the std one without, and that would have been it. So this one, the idea of this now is we can actually import more than one header file at a time. So I've created a little maths one as well, two functions in it. All it does is add and multiply, but it works, and that's the important bit. Anything that works, my book's got to be good. So import test, you can see here we've got import std and we can import maths, and if we click run that, you can see down here we've got the std, the two std functions working, and the maths function are working from the maths library. If I close that out, I can show you both of those. This one simply does the printout from the library, and the name one and the maths one are just really simple. You know, a plus b, a times b. There we go. What did that incorporate? Well, like I say, we've had to make some slight adjustments in here in the header file, and quite a lot of adjustments in here. It's all been, I've commented it all. Little helper to get rid of the white space. Check the string starts with a prefix. This allows us to import with either, you can either put quotes on it or not have quotes on it. It doesn't, it works either which way, so you don't need to, in the you can either have quotes or not have it quoted, and it'll work both ways. Excuse me. This just prevents this one prevents duplication of a file. Process the lines line by line. So we added the at the moment this is set. Eventually what I want to be able to do, it's an option, I don't know whether to do it or not. So you technically type in std and it would automatically append it with the file type. At the moment it's specifically set to SPLH, which is, as far as I can see, a reasonable. Get the paths for it, check for duplications again here. If the file's already been loaded, skip it. Like I say, I've commented it all down here. There's some of it's the same, some of it's changed. It's just all checking the different bits to it. Check the file, we've got the right files, read the whole file, put it into the buffer. At this point the buffer already contains the include files, so you're just appending it to the include files. And then basically it all had to make a slight change in here. So we now run file instead of in the old one where we were running this slightly differently. I haven't got an old copy of the I've removed how it was being run. So but this is the bit in the, that's the only three files we've had to change on. And now it actually does You can have multiple includes, which I think is a necessary step to have. So, and like I say, you can have them with or without. The quotes, and there we go. I was sat there waiting for that to do something and they'd already done it. like the idiot I am. Anyhow, there we go, and it all works nicely. Anyhow, like I say, only a short one. It was just, I decided I was going to make some changes to that because it wasn't quite right the way it was. Thanks for watching if you did.